Assalamu alaikum. This is Talk to Farina Najam from Division of Arts and Social Sciences, University of Education, Lower Mall Campus, Lahore. The course title is Advanced Landscape Painting and the course code is Fine 4135. Complementary colors. Dear students, this is a practical topic. First of all, I would like to explain about this topic. Complementary colors are basically colors which are on directly opposite sides of the color wheel. So, blue is a complement of orange, red is a complement of green, yellow is a complement of violet, and so on. So complementary colors are opposite on the color wheel, provided a high contrast. You can see the complementary colors. Yellow, violet, green and red, orange and blue. The Impressionists were masters of color and were very clever in how they used complementary colors to create stunning visual effects. Let's now go through some of the paintings by Claude Monet and Van Gogh which utilize complementary colors. In the painting of Van Gogh bedroom, it has a very intense red of the bedsheet which contrasts against the dull green of the floor. It also has the intense orange of the bed frame which contrasts against the weaker blue of the walls and doors. You can see yellow and blue accentuate each other in Van Gogh Cafe Terrace on the Place du Forum, Arles, 1888. In this painting, the yellow sun is contrasted against the dull violet in the mountains, and all throughout the painting you can even see violet in the field of grass in the foreground. Have a think about how powerful that yellow color would appear if it was just painted on a white canvas with no other colors. This artwork uses a balance of complementary colors to create a harmonious design. The Starry Night by Van Gogh. You can see the complementary color scheme in this painting by Van Gogh. Orange and blue. In this painting, Van Gogh contrasted the vibrant oranges in the foreground against the rich blue in the sky. You can see the complementary colors. In this painting, the yellow sun is contrasted against the dull violet in the mountains. And all throughout the painting, you can even see violet in the field of grass in the foreground. Another example. Van Gogh followed in the style of other Impressionist painters such as Monet and Degas. They used complementary colors like red and green to make things stand out. They used rough brushstrokes and loads of paint to give the impression of movement. You can see the contrast of complementary colors in this painting. Red and green accentuate each other in Van Gogh Night Cafe in Arles. Our sensation is the most intense where two extremes are juxtaposed. Van Gogh Night Cafe composes colors described as warm, which are generally associated with such sensations and emotions as energy, joy, love, and festivity. In his letter to his brother Theo, Van Gogh considers the work as one of the pictures I have done. I have tried to express the terrible passions of humanity by means of red and green. By using color in this manner, Van Gogh exploited the psychological capacities of colors to arouse emotions. Here, intentionally creating a harsh, unpleasant sensation for the viewer. You can see the contrast of complementary color. In the flower painting, the vibrant red on the wall contrasts against the dull greens of the table and leaves. In this painting, the contrast between red and green is used to draw attention to the vibrant flowers. In this portrait of Van Gogh, he used a simple combination of blues and oranges to create a very striking contrast. A similar color combination was used in this portrait, but the more vibrant blues appear to dominate the much weaker oranges in this case. Notice how in the previous painting Van Gogh's face appeared the really come forward in the painting, yet it seems to be the opposite in this painting. Complementary colors provide striking visual effects when paired together. Van Gogh said this about complementary colors in 1888. Color makes its impact from contrast rather than from its inherent qualities. The primary colors seem more brilliant when they are in contrast with their complementary colors. In this painting by Monet, you have a striking contrast between the dull blues and the rich oranges in the sky. In this painting, the vibrant reds and yellows contrast against the dark greens and violets. Finally, in this classic painting by Monet, the sun is contrasted against the dull blue grays. The orange of the sun is actually not that intense. But when the rest of the painting is a dull blue gray, its look very intense. You can see the contrast of complementary colors, blue and orange. Dancer by Degas uses the complementary colors red and green. Meadow with poppies. In this painting, the artist used the complementary colors red and green. As you can see, the yellow log by Monk also uses the complementary colors violet and yellow. In this painting, the violet trees and bright yellow log combine to give it a surreal look. In this painting, you can see the contrast of complementary colors blue and orange. The blue in this picture magnifies the coldness of the snow in the picture, giving it a sense of stillness, while the touches of orange in the houses and sky help to lighten the painting. Use of complementary colors blue and orange. Thanks.